It's such an honor to be with you this evening to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Korea and Fiji. As we commemorate this momentous occasion, it is my pleasure to extend the warmest greetings and congratulations to His Excellency President Moon Jae-in, the government of the Republic of Korea, and the Korean people. Last year, Fiji celebrated its 50th anniversary of independence, the 50th anniversary of the establishment of our diplomatic relations barely a year after. It is not only a testament to the enduring ties between our two countries, but moreover, it is an acknowledgement of Korea's determination to reach out to Fiji in recognition of its existence as a newly independent state. Fiji is proud of this fact and of the foundation we have laid for our growing and enduring relationship. A period in which we have come to know one another and to build a deep relationship that thrives on the basis of trust and confidence that exists between friends. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our bilateral relationship in the past 50 years has been characterized by mutual understanding and respect for each other's sovereignty, common development, and shared prosperity. Today, our partnership continues to grow at all levels, including at the multilateral, regional fora, and most importantly, through our bilateral cooperation. I'm also pleased to note that even in these trying times, we have continued to find innovative ways to strengthen our bilateral cooperation and partnership. Fiji truly appreciates the significant contribution that you continue to provide in championing our issues of mutual interests globally. Your commitment in areas such as climate change and sustainable development is indeed commendable. Korea's contribution towards climate advocacy and financing, oceans conservation and renewable energy, and more recently the COVID-19 pandemic is highly appreciated by the Fijian government. Excellency, Ambassador Park, I also wish to acknowledge the good work done through your COICA office in Suva. The provision of development assistance, technical expertise, technical training, educational and cultural exchange programs has enhanced our people-to-people ties over the years. As many of our students and civil servants who have studied in Korea over the years would attest to this. I acknowledge our ongoing cooperation in the area of rural community development. The Nadong concept will certainly make a huge difference in the livelihoods of our people and foster within them the principles of self-reliance, perseverance, and cooperation. Importantly, we have also a strong basis for enhanced trade and investment relations. Like we will do today, I urge that we continue to discuss innovative ways of doing business that will enable us to achieve a sustainable, resilient, green economic recovery into the future. Today, we are confronting unprecedented economic and socio-economic challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. No doubt, the pandemic has not spared any country, and tackling this challenge requires global solidarity. We know it will be a long, tough road ahead, but we are confident that through our recovery plans and support from friends like Korea, we will build back better. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, As we celebrate this 50th anniversary of Fiji and Korea's diplomatic relations, I reiterate that Fiji is committed to building a partnership with Korea that is resilient and sustainable, and one which will continue to generate greater benefits for our peoples in the next 50 years and beyond. With these words, it gives me great pleasure on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji to once again extend our best wishes for continued health and prosperity to His Excellency President Moon Jae-in, the government of the Republic of Korea, and the Korean people. Pinakawalaw, kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida, Honorable Acting Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, please, another big round of applause. Distinguished guests, at this juncture of our program,